guys, this is Devin. Do you own a smartphone, a computer, maybe a tablet, or a home theater PC? Well, you're in luck because Cooler Master has one keyboard to rule them all. So we've already gushed enough about our new SK line of keyboards. You know they're jaw-droppingly gorgeous, they feel great on your fingertips, and they are fully loaded with the latest and greatest features. But the thing you might enjoy the most in our SK621 is Bluetooth connectivity. Alright, so here's how you get it done. Step 1, turn the Bluetooth on. Duh. Step 2, enter pairing mode by holding the function key and Z, X, or C for 3 seconds. You should see the indicator flash blue. These 3 keys set up separate device profiles for easy on-the-fly connectivity and switching. Step 3, if your device has successfully connected, you should see the light flash 3 times in 1 second. And voila! You got yourself a machine of a mechanical keyboard. If you have multiple devices connected, switching to them is as simple as hitting the function key plus the appropriate assigned profile key. And when we say multiple devices, you best believe we mean multiple devices. Behold, PCs, consoles, tablets, or how about all of them at once? But that's not all. TVs, watches, 3 smartphones taped together, Bluetooth speakers. Okay, actually no, not that last one. The bottom line is the SK wireless keyboards have the seamless capability to not only connect to multiple devices, but also switch between them with little to no lag.